Military excellence is defined by the excellence of our Marines, by their thinking, their ability to improvise, adapt, and overcome any challenges presented to them. When new challenges arise, we give them new tools, more tools. We add more stuff to our Marines, to our logistics chain, and to the platforms on which we depend. We have built an iron mountain, and our Marines in the field are the ones who have to climb it. Asset visibility has improved, but we have not yet reached a point where the commander has total visibility of all available resources. We've got this long tail of equipment and logistics. More makes our teeth bigger, but not sharper. The modern Marine needs sharper teeth and a shorter tail. Adding more just doesn't work. It can't be more anymore.
In a combat situation, you're focused on the combat situation at hand. You certainly don't want to be focused on what your vehicle's doing, the status of your vehicle, the health of your vehicle. Has the oil been changed? Is the engine getting hot? You want to focus on what's the enemy doing. Our warfighters, our trigger pullers, our guys that are out there in harm's way every day will have the ability to focus on their mission while our platforms are communicating with our maintainers. Having the ability to have the front lines communicate technologically back to a rearward line where the logistical folks are standing by to support that warfighter who's in harm's way. Embracing condition-based maintenance within a sense and respond environment using parts tracking and embedded sensors to smarten our platforms and create a real-time information loop from vehicle to maintainer.
Condition-based maintenance is made possible by tracking equipment through IUID and asset health monitoring through embedded platform logistics systems. Everything gets identified. Complete asset visibility across all the equipment used by the Corps. This will eliminate the Iron Mountain by ensuring that we always know what we have, where it is, and what we actually need. IUID can help coordinate logistics across coalition allies like NATO. As it is, when allied nations go to war, they each bring their own Iron Mountain. With IUID, that won't be necessary anymore. We are marking things for asset tracking and visibility, and adding sensors for condition-based maintenance. Together, they can feed information into a central database for lifetime monitoring. The Joint Asset Management Integrated Support System gathers and sorts this data as it comes in from barcode scanners and wireless sensors. JMIS may also integrate with other logistics systems. We are currently in the process of fielding Global Combat Support System Marine Corps, our enterprise logistics management system. All LAVs currently engaged in Operation Enduring Freedom carry IUID marks. PMLAV is also installing the embedded platform logistics system, the sensors that will monitor health for condition-based maintenance. This year, we are investigating the addition of new shots fired and battery health sensors to the existing suite. We're making the platform smarter, smart enough to take care of itself, and tell operators in forward operating bases or sea-based environments when it's time for maintenance or repair. An LAV crew will be able to give total focus to the mission. No need to worry about vehicle health or status, because the system automatically alerts support entities if there's a problem. And the Corps is also moving to an expeditionary logistics strategy to bring that Iron Mountain down to size. We will keep our vehicles, parts, and equipment on secure sea-based facilities. Now, when that LAV's sensors detect a problem, they send the data back to the electronic maintenance support system, and an order for the required part is automatically placed. It comes to the FOB with the next shipment from the fleet. No more mountain of supplies on the beach to go sorting through and defend. It's estimated that a full implementation of embedded platform logistics system sensors along with IUID will save tens of millions of dollars of support cost per year for the LAV fleet.
Full up condition maintenance actually reduces by about 90% the number of unscheduled maintenance accidents. When you run the numbers and you look at the schedule-based maintenance versus unscheduled maintenance that we have in the field, you see that there's a remarkable difference in the overall cost. Over the life of the fleet, we can reduce the costs in double-digit percentages. I mean, as high as 25-35% of the operating cost of the vehicle.
From now on, the Marine Corps will operate based on planned actions, not emergency reactions. Instead of adding more, the Corps is doing more. Sharper teeth, shorter tail. Sense and respond logistics is a way to eliminate more, while still seeing the whole picture. Condition-based maintenance will grant us the ability to be proactive on a changing battlefield. If it can't be more, it has to be better. It has to be smarter. Honor, courage, commitment. That's what our Corps promises. The United States Marine Corps is the definition of military excellence, no question about it. A Marine can overcome any obstacle with the right tool. We're not just giving the Corps more tools. No, sir. We're giving the Corps the right tools so that our devil dogs can get the job done, as they always have, and as they always will. Semper Fi, do or die, hold them high at 8th and I. Hoorah!